I want to give an update on the clicking noise that I asked everybody if they could tell me what their thoughts were on it. I just did a leak down test on this thing, so I got a tube here, but just to show you, this engine is cold. I've got my hand on the headers right now, completely. It's ice cold. Of course, you don't hear the noise right now, but I'm going to crank it over. You might hear some air gushing out of that hose right there because I haven't put the spark plug back in it yet. But alright, here comes the clicking noises. Now I see that this valve is down. If I put my finger on that, I can actually feel it. Click, click. On this side here, right now that's the only one that's clicking, but that rocker is down. If I crank it some more to where a different valve is open, okay, so now I've got an exhaust valve back here that's clicking. This one is clicking. So it seems like whatever valves are open, either the lifters are bleeding off. It's got to be the only thing it could be, and that's probably why my compression is so low. Compression numbers are anywhere between 95 and 135, with the majority being at 100 to 115. So, could it be lifters? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks.